Hey everybody, welcome to Laliland. Welcome to another Yule vlog. Today we're going to show you some keto yummies that we're going to eat throughout the holiday season. Whether you celebrate Christmas or something. You know what I was thinking about? People that celebrate Hanukkah or something else, like how do you replace food to make it keto friendly? Like what do you do for the latkes? I'm curious, let me know. If you celebrate a different holiday, let us know. But we're gonna show you pretty much Christmas replacements that we're having to keep us happy and keto friendly during Christmas time.
Some people don't like fully understand our diet and what we do, so they're like, here, do you want a cookie? And we're like, no, we can't have that. And they're like, well, we have candy canes. And we're like, no, we can't have that either.
Sugar.
And then they're like, well, we have a bowl of apples over here. And we're like, no, we can't have that either. But
it's so weird.
Do you have any raspberries?
So I'm going to show you first what we had for breakfast this morning with pancakes. And Good Dee's is the company we go through for those pancakes if we don't make them ourselves. So check this out. So guys, if you've never bought Good Dee's pancake mix, neither had we. This was our first time trying it, but it's simple. We did the middle option on here stating we just needed 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, a tablespoon of vanilla, and a tablespoon of coconut oil or unsalted butter, whatever your preference is. So you pretty much mix all that together. We did about a cup of the dry mix, added that in. You can add other things to it to spice it up. Well, you could actually add spice or cinnamon or whatever you want, but we went for Lily's chocolate chips and crushed walnuts. By the time it got done, I actually only used the walnuts in mine, but that's okay. You can do whatever you want as long as it's keto friendly. So fry it up. We fried ours up in coconut oil today. Get a little extra fat going for us. And yeah, Mikey decided, let me try this. What'd you think?
I thought it was damn good. I thought it was damn good.
So, you know, this is a simple breakfast. If your kids are doing keto with you and they love pancakes, if you want something quick and easy instead of making your own, we use a recipe a lot of times that has cream cheese that you have to melt, and you know, the cream cheese pancakes, it's a little more difficult. So this is an easy solution. We get it on Amazon. Good Dee's is awesome. They're not sponsoring this. I wish they would. Give us a thumbs up, Good Dee's, and send us some goodies. I'll get it. So we're in the pouring rain headed to my mom's house, which is about 25 minutes away, if that. And we're going to have sugar cookies and spritz cookies forced in our face today because my sister's baking and she takes pride in that. She won't force it, but my mom will be like, have a cookie, have a coffee.
I'll be like, okay.
But he won't, right?
When you're not.
We might nibble a piece.
I'll wait till you're in the bathroom.
What we are going to have to snack on that I brought with us. This is a salted almond Lily's bar. It's delicious. This will satisfy us. Brought a little bag of macadamia nuts. So high fats, satisfying. Avoid the cookies.
I'm concentrating on the road sense of training. I'm being a responsible driver.
Because of this crappy weather today, we cannot go to the 2 places that we wanted to film for you guys. Alair State Park for their Christmas extravaganza and caroling and Santa and stuff. And we can't go to Holiday in the Park at Six Flags Great Adventure because they're rained out as well. We will be going to them New Year's weekend, so keep an eye out for that though. So we just got to my mom's house. Nikki makes her famous spritz cookies every year. And she's literally, holy shnikey balls. She does not mess around, guys. She is the queen of baking cookies. Does your back hurt from like... Let's look at the tree, guys. Wow, it's very...
You can see it at night because it glows.
Yeah, I bet. It looks very... The only problem I have is I don't like white lights.
Oh yeah, we do it. We got colored lights too, but this year we do white.
I'm anti-white.
Oh, I like white. This year, so shut up.
But it's beautiful.
Crazy about Christmas.
It's beautiful. Stop, say hi. Are you excited for Christmas and next week with us?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
If I don't die
She doesn't
before,
remember the other Christmases.
I don't remember.
I might, but you don't remember go to the diner first?
I remember the diner,
With
but
Mikey's grandmother.
His grandmother, I remember.
Oh,
We did like a rustic theme.
Your cats go near it?
Some little bit.
Pretty. You like the camera? So we found something to show you guys that goes along with our Christmas theme. So right now we're in the car. We found something. I'm going to show it to you as soon as we get to it. We're almost there. Oh, there it is. It's all lit up. Thank you to this house because... Pull up a little bit. Don't move. Don't move. Just look at that, guys. That is like the most rustic themed truck, and these people are going to think I'm taking a picture of them. Sorry. I can get the restaurant. We're in West Trenton at a restaurant called Revere. Beautiful restaurant. I'm going to show you all the Christmas decorations in a bit, and we're going to order some keto-friendly dinner. This is our Christmas dinner to each other, I guess, right?
Yeah.
A little early. I can't do the menu, but I am going to get filet mignon with vegetables. They're playing Christmas music, babe. Yay? Hey. Jingle, jingle, jingle. So Mikey decided he's going to do the grilled chicken parm with vegetables.
Yeah.
No pasta.
Like on this is we'll do a grilled chicken parm.
Yes. It is beautiful in here. And before it gets dark out, I'm actually going to go show you guys the outside. Alright, so like it's this huge Santa as you walk in, but his face is terrifying. I feel like it's like a haunted thing and he's gonna jump out at me at any second. But he's cool. What's the matter, Santa? This is cool. This is like aluminum or something. That is so cute. We got a little snowman here. And then we got stuff down here. We got more. It says joy and it's got the snowman. They got all these little hanging balls. Nice nutcracker. It's such a nicely Christmas decorated restaurant. Mikey's rocking this shirt tonight. Always the best thing is when your meal comes with a nice fresh salad. Mikey's grilled chicken parm is in the building. It is here. And side of mixed veggies. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's really dark in here. My apologies. Yummy, yummy. It looks good. I mean, it's the same thing. It's just without the breading. Keto dinner, y'all. Cheesy. It looks like you have a bib on. Here it is. 10-ounce filet, guys. Oh, it's beautiful. And I got the vegetables, of course, on the side as well. We just finished our delicious dinner at Revere. We're gonna go outside. I want Mikey to see the Santa that I showed you guys earlier. Let's see what his reaction is. He hasn't seen it. All right, now he looks cool from here, right?
He does look cool.
Now it's nighttime. Watch
Is
the
he
stuff.
creepy? Does he do something?
What the hell? He has no eyes.
I thought somebody was gonna jump out at me.
Why does he not have eyeballs?
All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching Laliland. See you at the next YuleVlog. Thank you for checking out our holiday options for keto. Hope my keto friends enjoyed. Merry Christmas. Jemmy, you see a fireplace? Jemmy's eating. We got a little fireplace for Jemmy. Thanks for watching Laliland. I swear he's gonna like come alive and kill me.